Can I make a bandsaw box with a bandsaw? Brought to you by Placeblex. We think it works, so will you. I got myself an inexpensive 9-inch benchtop bandsaw, and I decided to make a bandsaw box if I could. Obviously it's going to have to be small because the bandsaw will only handle about 3.5 inches for a cut. So I glue together my blank and I sketch out just roughly on the blank itself what I want it to be. I cut out the outside. Even using the 1/8 inch blade, I got a very, very rough cut. I don't know if I'm going too fast or if it's just the bandsaw. I don't have something set right. Maybe I don't have enough tension. I'm really inexperienced with bandsaw. If anybody has any tips, go ahead and give them to me. I sketch out the drawer. Then I cut the drawer out, having the same problem. And this is where it's really a problem because I'm going to have to sand a whole lot to get rid of all these marks, and I know I'm going to have a loose fitting drawer. So I sand anyway, and of course you'll see at the end, the drawer is very loose fitting. This is my first bandsaw box. Technically it's my second attempt on this saw. The first one didn't go very well, and I had a 1/4 inch blade. I couldn't make any turns at all. So this is sort of a bandsaw box. It's not a very good one. I hope to do better in the future, but I want to do something different. I'll revisit the bandsaw box. That's a tight fitting drawer there. Anyway, the cuts the bandsaw made were really rough. I don't know if it's the blade I was using, my technique, or that it's just a cheap, small benchtop bandsaw. Any tips how I can do better? Leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. Also, share it with your friends. If you didn't enjoy this video, rest assured you have lots of company. As far as the question posed by this video, have you seen my unbandsaw box video?